guys, welcome to another video from Digit.in. We are on the MWC show floor and what you're seeing is a mid-range device that has not yet launched in India. This is the Galaxy A50 from Samsung, which is expected to launch probably by the end of February or sometime in early March in India. And this one, along with the A30, is going to be launched in India first. Like the M series, Samsung is launching the Galaxy A50 and the A30 in India first. Now let me take you through some of the specs of the phone. As you can see, the A50 comes with an Infinity U display. What that essentially means is that a U-shaped notch houses the front-facing camera on the display. Another cool feature added to the A series lineup with the A50 is the presence of an on-screen fingerprint sensor, and I'm showing the on-screen fingerprint scanning on the Galaxy A50. It's got an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's not an ultrasonic sensor and it's like a regular fingerprint sensor. It takes a while for it to scan my fingers, so I've done it a couple of times. I'm trying everything that's in the on-screen instructions. Yeah, so this is a little bit of a tedious process to get your fingerprint only 80% done, perhaps. So and I'm done. Finally, okay, so I've set up fingerprint unlock on the Galaxy A50. It takes like a second to sort of unlock the phone, but it's not that slow. Okay, so that is how the on-screen fingerprint sensor worked, and it takes like a second to unlock the phone, but it's pretty intuitive. It's not very slow. And at the back you have 3 camera setup, which is a main 25 megapixel sensor, then an 8 megapixel wide angle sensor and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front you have a 25 megapixel selfie camera on the phone, and it will be available in black, white, blue and coral colors once it launches. What's also there on the Galaxy A50 is 15 watt fast charging. So yes, it's going to support wired 15 watt fast charging this device. We're not very sure about the battery capacity right now because Samsung has not revealed that here on the MWC show floor, but we expect a large battery on the Galaxy A50. Let me just reiterate the specs again. A 6.4 inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. Then on the side over here is the power button, the volume rockers on the right side. That's the SIM slot right here. There's a 3.5 mm jack at the bottom of the phone along with the speaker grill. At the back is a triple camera setup, and on the front within the U-shaped notch is a 25 megapixel selfie camera. Before I go into the camera application, let me tell you that it runs on Samsung's One UI. So that is Samsung's new One UI based on Android 9, and this phone right here in my hands also has the February 1st security patch. So pretty much up-to-date software that you get with the Galaxy A50. Going into the camera settings, you see a slew of very Samsung-centric modes. You have super slow-mo, you have hyperlapse, you have live focus, you have a pro mode as well, where you can change the ISO, the white balance, and all of that for a little more professional photos. And you have your panorama mode. There is no Instagram mode. We would have liked to see that as well on the Galaxy A50 because, you know, mid-range devices for the masses, you want an Instagram mode that is there on the Galaxy S10 series of devices, but Samsung has skipped that out. You have Bixby Vision as well on the device. So there you have Bixby Vision in play. Okay, so it did recognize the phone in that man's hand as a mobile phone accessory. So you can see Bixby Vision is at work over here. It uses artificial intelligence to actually scan objects in its frame. There is the separate augmented reality application of the camera as well, which I will show you in just a bit. So exiting Bixby Vision, took 3 clicks here, but yeah, talking about augmented reality, you have your AR emojis right over here. So that is me talking in AR. It's not that fluent, but well, it's sort of like a fun thing that you can do with your Galaxy A50. I'm not really sure how many people use AR emojis on the Samsung phones, but nevertheless, Samsung has put those in the Galaxy A50. So that was the first look at the Samsung Galaxy A50. The smartphone is expected to launch in India alongside the Galaxy A30 and possibly the Galaxy A10. And that is it from the A50 video on Digit.in. We are at MWC on the show floor checking out all the new devices for you guys. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel, to our Instagram channel for more such videos. Thank you for joining.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.